Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you, friends. This is the exercise number 40. This is also a very simple SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. We will learn sketch, smart dimension, circle command, boss extrude, offset, convert entity, and extrude cut commands from the SolidWorks free exercise video. We are going to use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch.
Now take the Line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 100 mm. Height is 10 mm. Distance is 10 mm.
Press OK.
Make equal.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Distance is 50 mm.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 60 mm. Distance is 10 mm. Distance is 10 mm. Distance is 5 mm.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Take Center Line command and draw lines like this. Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 40 mm.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8.
Now take Circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 25 mm.
Press OK.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command, select through all.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Convert this entity.
Press OK. Now take Circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 50 mm.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Depth is 15 mm. Make sure Merge Result is not checked.
Press OK.
Take Plane command. First reference is parallel to the surface. Second reference, midpoint of this line.
Press OK.
Take Mirror Entities command. Mirror about this plane. Select these items as mirror entity.
Press OK.
Hide this plane. Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations.
This is the part, which we were trying to design using SolidWorks 2020. If you enjoy this SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.